Hi, my name's Andrew DeVogelair, and I'm the Research Director for the Monterey Bay National Marine Sanctuary. The Deep Sea Coral Restoration Project is an effort to learn how to repopulate areas that have been removed of deep sea corals with more deep sea corals, not only for them to be there and grow, but to then release propagules into the surrounding environment. Many people believe that corals need light to survive because they have symbionts living in the corals to help provide some food for the corals. But in the deep sea, there are no algal symbionts, and the corals, the polyps, position themselves into the currents so that they're gathering organic matter that mostly comes down in the form of marine snow. So it's particulate matter that drifts down from the surface, and then they gather it, and that's their food. They don't need light down at that depth to survive. If you wanted to make an argument about the value of deep sea corals, they can be associated as important habitats for deep sea fishes. That's a study that we're working up some data on now to see the associations with fishes and these deep sea corals. It could be that they're important as a nursery area. Um, Another possibility is that we see it more with deep sea sponges, but that they have some chemicals associated with them that can help with things like cancer treatments. There might be some genetics to these deep sea corals that could be of value to humans in some medical sense. The immediate opportunity for using this method is in the Gulf of Mexico. The Deep Horizon oil spill by the British Petroleum Company kept most of the oil on the bottom. It turns out that it covered large areas of the deep sea floor with oil, smothering a lot of deep sea corals. Now, the British Petroleum is required to restore this habitat, and the people down there in charge of the project have never restored deep sea corals before, and they don't really know where to start. So our methods here in the Monterey Bay could be used in the Gulf of Mexico, where they have similar species of coral.